If for element A the formation enthalpy and the formation entropy per vacancy created is 0.5 electron volt and 3 keV respectively, then the equilibrium vacancy concentration at 500 Kelvin is. So given are delta HF, which is 0.5 electron volt. So delta SF given is 3 keV. keV is the Boltzmann constant, it is 8.62 into 10 to the power minus 5 electron volt atom per Kelvin, and temperature is 500 Kelvin. Now if you know the equilibrium vacancy concentration formula, CV equals to exponential minus delta HF minus T delta SF divided by KB into T. Now we will directly put all the values here and we will get exponential minus 0.5 minus 3 into 8.62 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 500 by 8.62 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 500 exponential minus 8.6, and we will get 1.84 into 10 to the power minus 4. So for this question 1.84 is the correct answer.